Hi, it's Dr. Robert Davis with Active Health Neuropathy Solutions, and I am back here with Joyce. And Joyce was a patient of ours that came in approximately a year ago. You're a snowbird, right?
Right, it was last March.
So last March, she came in, and Joyce is going to tell her story, but she came in for solutions for her neuropathy. So I'm going to let Joyce kind of talk for a couple minutes and just explain what she was experiencing, and then what she experienced when she came to the office. And a year later, I would like her to just give us an update of how she's doing now, which is much better. So Joyce, if you can just explain, go back to some of the symptoms you were experiencing, and then you found us, you came in, we did the evaluation, just what you've experienced even when you went back up north and what's changed for you.
Okay. So I got neuropathy as a side effect from chemo, and that was in 2018, in the fall of 2018. So then last year, so 2020, so it was 2 years that I'd had the neuropathy. Then we got the ad in the paper, and my husband says, why don't we see if this guy can help you? So we came, and he did. I am so much better, it's unbelievable. I wasn't able to go to the grocery store without taking a cart, even if I was just picking up bananas or one or two things. I had to have a cart to help me walk through the stores. And when we went to the beach, we pretty much just stayed in our chair because I couldn't get up and walk in the sand. And they hurt bad. It was hard to even get dressed in the morning, trying to put my feet in my pant legs because my toes wouldn't operate right. And so I came here, and it was close to the end of the time when we were going to be going back home. So I got to meet everybody pretty good because I was here every day that they were open, and I did all the treatments. I did everything at home, and I did all of them up through summertime to where I ran out of stuff. And so now I'm not doing any of that anymore, but they are still so much better, it's unbelievable. I mean, I walk the beach, I play golf 2-3 times a week. I can run in the grocery store without a golf cart, without a grocery cart. Yes. And my husband will say, I can't keep up with you anymore.
Oh, that's fantastic.
It's just so much better. It's wonderful.
Yeah.
It's well worth coming in and having the treatments and taking the additives or whatever, supplements.
Supplements, right.
And, just be faithful and do it because it will wake your nerves back up. It's wonderful. I mean, if you don't try to take care of yourself, nobody else is going to.
Yeah, and that's what we're here. Personal responsibility is the new counterculture, right? We'll help you, but you have to want to help yourself.
That's right.
And we can guide you. We're good coaches here, and Joyce is coachable. So
Well, it depends on who you talk to.
Well, that you need help. And,
Yes.
We give you some tough love every now and then. If you're not doing something, we'll tell you, hey, it's not going to work unless you do it. But was it really that difficult to do?
No.
I mean, most of the stuff you're sitting down and reading a book or watching.
It's just programming yourself to do it, just like it is anything else. I mean, you have to do it so many days in a row before it becomes a habit.
Right.
So,
right. And the great thing about it is that we have objective findings. So every 90 days we check in with you to see how you're doing, whether you're here or up north. We can even do a test, have you do a test at home. I don't know if you did that. We didn't do that, but it's it's a year later and we're doing a reevaluation. Right. So Joyce started out, and we have objective findings. We do sensory loss tests to see if this is really working. It's not just subjective, it's also objective. And Joyce started out in her right leg, she had 55% sensory loss and 57% sensory loss in her left leg. So the number that I look at is 20%. If you're over 20% sensory loss, that's telling me that the cells that make up the tissue that make up your foot are breaking down faster than the body's ability to heal. And that's not okay. So over 20%, she was over 55% in both feet. Well, her reevaluation today, she's below 20 in both. She's at 14% sensory loss in her right leg or right foot, and her left foot is 8.6. That is huge. That's way below the, within the normal range for somebody at her age. So good on you, because you did the stuff.
Yeah,
you were
I
here
did.
for a while, and then you had to take the responsibility and continue doing stuff up north.
Yep.
So that's what we expect for people. So if you have chemo-induced neuropathy, diabetic-induced neuropathy, if you have any type of neuropathy, come in, have us do a sensory loss test on you. We'll let you know straight up if it's the right thing for you. We'll tell you that we can help you. If not, we'll try to point you in the right direction. So thanks for stopping by, and we look forward to meeting you and helping you. God bless.